got really close to me this morning. Like, did you see that? Like, she came up to the bowl while I was pouring in it. She must be really hungry. So, anytime it's raining like this, I like to put them down there. I like to put them underneath that grill stand. So, how long y'all been here? Come on in here. Out the rain. Whew. It's cold, y'all. It's dark in here, ain't it? Let's turn on some lights. So, how about some coffee? Yeah? Okay, cool. Good morning, y'all. And welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara and I am living simple, taking it one day at a time. So glad that you came by for a visit this morning. So this is what I'm talking about. I opened the door and it's winter again. I can't keep up. Thank you, Virginia weather. Can't keep up. So it's cold and rainy today. Amazon delivered my new carpet cleaner machine from Hoover at like 9:30 last night. What? Amazon. Come on now. And apparently it had started raining. They put it in a plastic bag, but still, like, I had to get up at 9:30 at night, because us older folks, we go to bed early, you see, because we early to bed, early to rise. And so, yeah. But it came. It is not sponsored in any way, or anything like that. But I thought we could open that together and we could see if it works good on my carpet. Oh, that coffee is good. That coffee is good, y'all. Okay, so we know we're going to do the vacuum cleaner. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And then, I don't know, y'all. We'll just straighten up a little bit and we'll see where we go from there. You know, there is a new Salvation Army. The Salvation Army we had moved across town and they just opened up a new store. So maybe we can run out there and just check that out and see what's going on, right? Hoover Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner. And it said that it's 2 times more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. Pretty reasonable. It was probably like, I want to say it was, I'll have to check it, but I think it was like $120 or something. Manual. I'm assuming it's a handle. Oh, they gave me some cleaner too. All right. I try to be careful not to leave any of these little pieces of this foam stuff because it's very toxic to the cats. So it was put together pretty easy. This is the reservoir with a quick spout release. So this one says to fill the water, warm water up to here, and then the solution. So let's put this in. Little thing back on it. And we're ready to go. Oh, look at that. Y'all, look at that. That's nasty. That carpet is dirty, y'all. So y'all, I wanted to show you because I haven't vacuumed. I have not cleaned this carpet in my office. And look at that stripe, y'all. Let me show you. Okay, y'all, I'm totally telling you, this vacuum cleaner is amazing. Look at that. Okay, I could play with this thing all day long, but I'm not going to. I can tell you right now, like, I can't even begin to tell you how blown away I am that it has gotten up that stain, those stains right there. Those stains have been on that carpet for, oh, y'all, you have no idea, like 4 years. 4 years. And let me just show you. Bring it in the bathroom here. And let me show you the dirt that came out of that office rug. Ugh, y'all, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. Look at this. Look. Y'all. Ugh. These rugs are dirty. Y'all. That's amazing. I can't. I'm blown away. Let me clean this mess up. That's hard work. To pull that thing out. The worst part was cleaning it, because cleaning the machine afterwards, because there was so much sand and stuff that even the vacuum cleaner doesn't get up, you know, because I vacuumed. They say to vacuum the rug first, and I did that, and there was so much sand still in there that gets sucked up into the cleaner. Well, you know what, y'all? Let's go to Salvation Army and explore this new thrift store today, since I don't know if if the weather's gonna change at all today and let us go out and do what I planned on doing in the backyard. So I'm petting my cat, my little Maxwell. He's over here. Maxwell got on the carpet. He was like, what? Okay, the carpet's wet. I don't like this. I don't like it. So it was funny. It was funny. All right, well, let me do something with this hair, and yeah, we'll get going. Birds are going crazy out here. Can you hear them? They're like, we want some more food, lady. The squirrels have eaten all of our food. So yeah, I didn't do anything with my hair, y'all. I'm terrible about that. So it has stopped raining. It feels like it might be still sprinkling, but I don't know. But anyway, we got to give the carpets time to dry. So we need an excuse. If we need an excuse, it's because we gotta let the carpets dry, y'all. We gotta let the carpets dry. So come on, let's go.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl.
That hurts, y'all. That hurts.
Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
You guys, it's not open yet. Grand opening Friday, 4/8/2022, 10 a.m. Okay, Sorry about that, guys. Today is only the 6th, so sorry about that. But since we're already up in town, let's run over to and that. Let's do that. You want to do that? Let's do that.
Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
Oh, I love this.
You're the leaves in
Sold. I love it.
and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh,
looking for Wayne's car. Right, here he is. Let's go leave him a surprise. So y'all, you keep the romance alive. I'm up here in town, and I'm gonna just stick this note right here. Hopefully it won't blow away. It says, I love you, whole bunches, you know. And he'll probably drive all the way home without seeing it. But that's how you keep the romance alive, y'all. See. So now we're going about our day and forget all about that we did it. Oh, my allergies. And yeah, hopefully he'll say, no, what he'll tell me is this. He will say, tomorrow, why don't you put that note on my car, because I drove all the way home. So anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Of course, it's going to probably pour down rain all over that note. You won't even get to see what it says, but didn't quite think this thing through. But that's what I like to do when I'm up in town, you know, during the week and he's working or whatever. I try to stop in and bring him, you know, like a smoothie, or I will, or I'll leave him a note on his car or some balloons in his car or something like that. So it's pretty fun. Just something different, you know. He does the same thing. Like, you know, if he's off for the day or whatever, you know, he's had flowers. He's delivered flowers to my work, and, you know, he puts little notes on my car and in my car and stuff. I don't have the key to his car, or I would have put the note in his car, but I don't have that with me today. So anyway, all right. I bought this. Isn't it so cute? They only had one of these plastic plates left. It cost me $1.25. And I just thought it was super cute. At Old Navy, I bought the white dress. I just bought it in one size smaller than what I tried on. But I love white dresses for spring. So I really liked that. And it came out, I had like some type of discount credit or something. And so it was supposed to be $20 and I got it for $17.89. And they gave me a free hand sanitizer gel too. So, yep. Didn't get a lot this time when I went out. But you know, that happens to me a lot. Like when I go out shopping and stuff, I usually just look at everything and how pretty everything is and everything, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I buy anything, because, you know, sometimes I don't find anything that, you know, tickles my fancy. But I will tell you that this is my favorite purchase of today, because I just loved a baby goat, y'all. And if y'all didn't know, because I probably forgot to tell you, my friend Rachel, her goat just had 2 kids, 2 female kids. And they're so cute, y'all. And I'll put them up here. I'll put the pictures of them up here so you can see them. They're so cute. I have not gotten to get over there and see them yet, but they are adorable, y'all. So, yeah, I love my goats, and I love living vicariously through Rachel and her 1-acre farm. I have my sweatpants on still, but you can see I like this one better. The other one just had way too much room in it. So I really like this one. This was a size 3X versus the 4X. So I was very excited when I realized that I did not have to buy the biggest size that they had. And I love this because look, you guys, pockets! You know, I just love me some pockets. So yeah, love it. And when I want to, I can just, you know, put on a sweater or something to make it fancy. But I love this dress. I love it. It's so funny when you get something that you really love and you feel like it fits you really well. It makes a difference. And I just love it. Good one. Oh yeah. I think maybe we could do a little bit of TLC to the backyard here. Let's get these dishes washed and then we'll head on out.
I watch you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep.
It has gotten warm out here. Look, you guys. New growth. New growth. Oh, I'm so happy to see that. So happy to see that. This is some of the dead stuff. But there's another one, look. See it? I love that. Okay, gotta get some leaves out of here. Some of the acorns out of here. Ooh, this thing is full. Whew. If you've been following my channel since last summer, you know we were trying everything we could to grow grass back here, and a little bit has come back, you guys. So very cool. So it's still super wet back here. So what I think I'm going to do for right now is I want to get this table and stuff moved so that it's down here where it's a little bit more level and a little bit closer to the back door, just because.
You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I ordered a tablecloth for this table, and it's one of my favorite cartoon characters from Beatrix Potter, and it is there he is. Isn't that cute? And what I like about this is it already has the hole for the umbrella, and it's got a zipper down the side so that I can put this on and take it off very easily. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. Come over here. Take a look. There's the little zipper right there. And then we can just put Peter right there. Yeah, I think I could have, I don't know, maybe it's the right size. Oh yeah, that'll fit. Look at that. It says spring. Spring has sprung. I love it. I think that's so cute. And I just love that. Little Peter Rabbit. So cute. So cute. I love that. Love it, I love it, I love it. All right, let me go get the other surprise. More flowers and some pillows for the chairs. So the chairs really need to be sanded and stained or painted or something, but for today, I'm just going to, I got these for $5.97 at Walmart. And the outdoor throw pillows said Home Sweet Home, but I really liked this side. So, just gonna put that like that. And so something as simple as just a seat cushion and a pillow makes it so cute. I love it. Again, I'm taking out a lot of those little trees. So those should be able to sit right there. And then we have our table right there. And we're gonna put, I bought some flowers and we're gonna put some flowers in those flower boxes over there. She's like, there's something new over there. There's soft cushions for Bella and I to sit on because you know it's all about the cats. It's all about the cats. Got these for $1 a piece at Walmart. I'll be waiting.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Okay. So, I love those little flowers. We're going to redo these boxes because these boxes are not wide enough. But until I get to it, there they are. And these I just sit here for right now because just as soon as I clean this out, I'm going to start planting those over there. Do y'all hear the frogs out there? It's starting to get late. I'm going to have to go in here and make some dinner here in a few minutes. But here I am just showing it to you one more time. I have to take that umbrella up there that's broken to the service center. But otherwise, there we have it. A place to have dinner and a place to relax. Just a little bit of, just a very little change to the backyard. Do little pieces here and there, you know? And then as you add more and more and do more and more, it really comes together and you can enjoy it in all of its stages. So let me get this stuff put in here and get dinner started. Well, y'all, thank you so much for coming for a visit today. I know we did a lot of running around in town and did a few little housekeeping chores today and tried to spruce up the backyard just a little bit. But your sister girl, she tired. And I got to get in here and cook some dinner before my wonderful husband gets home. So, with that being said, let me just leave you and remind you with God who created you. He loves you so much. And guess what? Me and Tigger, we love you too. Until next time, guys, be kind to one another, okay? And I'll see you again real soon. Bye. he saw Max get up here and lay on me yesterday, and Max just started doing that, and I just love it. He's a big black cat, but he sat down on the floor and was like, Max, you know, he was like, Max, you in my spot. So this morning I came over here to enjoy my coffee for a few minutes, and yeah, look at him. You comfortable? You're just so cute, you know that. You're so cute. Yeah, Mr. Jealous. Mr. Jealous. Mr. Jealous. Mr. Jealous. Yeah. Such joy. Such joy unspeakable. Yeah, such joy unspeakable.